do it with no hands. Oh wait, with one hand.
Oh,
I'll do it with one hand.
you
Look.
said no hands.
Hey Knights, I'm Regin.
And I'm Kim. Welcome back to the Bite Night.
In each episode, we'll be teaching you cooking skills and recipes that you could use in college and for the rest of your life. Hey Kim.
Hey Regin, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. I'm so excited to start cooking.
Me too. So today we'll be making some appetizers from our cultures. What are you making today?
I'm making gia yao, which is a Vietnamese egg rolls. What are you making?
I'm going to be making Filipino lumpia, which is also a different version of an egg roll. I'm excited to share it with you and everyone else who's watching.
Okay, let's get started.
All right, let's get into it. Okay, you go tell me your ingredients first, and then I'll show you mine after.
First, I have ground pork. So dump it to the big bowl. Minced shrimp. Dry fungus that already been soaked. Minced carrots. And I also have shallots. And I got some mung beans noodles, vermicelli to be exact. So that's that. And that to the mixing bowl as well.
Have you made this dish before?
Yes, actually. I used to help my mom when I was little. She always make this for like family reunion or something like that. I get used to it and now I think I'm pretty good at it actually.
Me too. I actually learned from my grandma how to make this. And I remember when I was little, I would like watch her roll it. And now I'm an expert and she taught me how to like properly roll it. She taught me like 3 different ways on how to roll it, to be honest.
Show me what you got for your ingredients.
Originally it's with pork, but today I'm using some ground chicken, minced carrots, red onions, parsley, garlic powder, salt and pepper, soy sauce, sesame oil, and some eggs. Basically you just mix everything up in one big bowl and you roll it up.
Okay, let's get mixing. But first, wash my hands.
Yeah, that's true. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot.
So now that our hands are clean, let's start mixing.
Yes. So earlier you mentioned that your mom would make this during family occasions, right?
Family get together or like a death anniversary type of thing. So yeah, we celebrate that with this dish too because it's like super easy to make.
Actually, my family would have it for birthdays. We have Filipino fiestas.
Oh, fiesta.
Yeah, they're super fun. Fiestas are typically just like a get-together, literally for no reason. We just gather around, have fun with our friends and family. Yeah, and just get to connect with the people that you love and that you enjoy spending time with.
For Vietnamese egg roll, I have like a special ingredient, fish sauce.
Ooh.
So, I'm gonna add that in right now.
You can make it vegetarian as well by using tofu, mushrooms, and different types of meat substitutes.
I'm about to open this. Push it down? Okay. Oh! I'm adding the sugar, but like I didn't know how to open the lid.
And right now I'll be cracking 2 eggs in the bowl. Look, I'll do it with no hands. Oh wait, with one hand.
Oh,
I'll do it with one hand.
you
Look.
said no hands. Oh wow, what a chef.
Incredible. I know, what can I say? He's an expert.
What does this dish mean in your culture?
If I were to explain it to someone, this dish would have to be like a dish about unity. And you know, when your aunts and aunties have their lumpia, you know it's gonna be like a fun party. Alrighty, so now that I've mixed all my ingredients in the bowl, this is what it looks like. And we're ready to prep and roll our lumpia. What's your method? Let's see it.
It just like take a little bit amount because like you don't want it to be too much because you get like, you know, like tired of it after one bite. So just a little bit. Oh, there's too much. Okay, there we go. Okay. So I put it in like the corner of the wrapper.
Ooh, and you tuck it in?
Yeah, like tuck it in and then start roll.
Yeah, that's like one of my methods. And then my other one is you basically place it on your chopping board or your plate in a diamond shape. You put it right in the center and make a log shape almost. You roll it in, tuck the corners. So once I start rolling, I just seal the corners with a little bit of water.
Or egg would work too. But yes, there we go.
That's your first egg roll.
Oh,
She's
wow,
a beauty.
So cute.
Honestly, there's no right or wrong way to roll this. As long as the meat is secured and it's edible, then you're good.
Exactly.
So Kim and I will be rolling a few more, and we'll be back once they're done and ready to fry. I just finished rolling my egg rolls, or my lumpia, and I'm ready to fry them.
Me too. So my mom taught me that we have to put it in a very low heat because you don't want it to burn. And the meat will be like uncooked.
So what are your favorite Asian restaurants here in Orlando?
We have a lot actually. But like my go-to spot is Mamak.
Yes! I love that place.
Uh-huh.
It's so good.
What is your favorite restaurant?
Hawker.
Hawker.
Have you been there?
Too.
Yes.
Yeah, I've been there.
Okay, Kim, so how would you describe your culture's cuisine?
One thing that I noticed from my cuisine is that we use a lot of fish sauce. I don't know if you guys use that in Philippines. You guys do?
We use it all the
yeah.
time.
Like we use
We put it in a lot of
fish
our
sauce.
soups.
And we also use like a lot of fermented stuff. Fermented shrimp paste is like more of like a countryside dish, but like I personally I loved it, even though it's like it make my house smell so bad after, but like it's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
I'd say Filipino culture is also pretty diverse. We have a lot of Spanish, East Asian, and other influences.
One dish that I want to try from the Philippines is adobo. It looks so
It's
good.
so good.
Is that like a national dish?
Yes, it's actually our national dish.
Oh wow.
It's super simple. It's just garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, onions, and if you want to add like a couple herbs like bay leaves and stuff.
Wow.
How are your egg rolls looking?
It's not done yet, but like it's getting there.
Almost
How
there.
about you?
So right now mine are about done. At least the first batch is.
Wait, Regin, did you grow up in the Philippines?
Yes, I did.
Really?
I grew up there and I moved here when I was 11. What about you?
I moved here 6 years ago, actually. We'll finish frying all of these, so we'll get back to you guys when we're done.
A few moments later.
So welcome back. We're done. So now this is our final product. And usually for Vietnamese, we'll eat this with lettuce. So we would take a piece and then wrap it in lettuce and dip it in fish sauce. But for today, I just have sweet Thai chili as an alternative. What about you, Regin?
For me, I just finished as well, and we typically eat it with rice or noodles, what we call pancit. And today I'm just serving it with some banana ketchup and also some Thai sweet chili sauce. All right, Kim, do you want to try it at the same time? Cheers!
Cheers! I'm proud of myself.
Pretty good. My grandma would be proud. Crispy, a little juicy on the inside, but definitely the sauce adds an extra bit of razzle-dazzle in the flavor, you know? So I'm proud of this. Thank you so much, Kim, for joining me today and sharing a little bit about you and your culture.
Absolutely, Regin. Thanks for having me today, and I learned a lot from your culture as well.
Yeah, I had so much fun. Thank you again. And thank you all so much for tuning into the Bite Nights, and we hope to see you all again. Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.